Hello guys, this is Kirk Roldan, and in this video, I'm going to show you and discuss our white label SEO process. And for me, this is the right way because we are doing and using this for our agency right now, and it's working, and I'm sure this will also work for your agency if you're going to apply this one. Okay, so we have a different agency, we have a different process, and some agency, like for example, a prospect go to their services, they buy the service, and they go to onboarding call directly. They also have that. But the problem with that method is that you don't know their information because you redirected to onboarding call. There are also clients who buy the service and then they go to research and planning and making a strategy. But you miss something here because you don't know the client, you don't know the prospect yet. So you need to do the onboarding call. This is also very important. Or here, from discovery call, they need to call you to learn more about your service. And then that's the right time they buy your service, okay? There are also agencies out there that buy the service and they will send it to their team to start the work. Yes, it will work, but you need a lot of information from your client. You need to research the business that they have. You need to create a strategy. You need to create a plan or a plan of action for you to perform a better and also working strategy. And that's very important. Okay, so let's go here and I will discuss to you. So for example, this part, so there are two ways, right? First is the prospect go to a discovery call. They see a link in our website, for example, in Facebook group, or in our website directly, or in different platform, or wherever is that, they book a call, they schedule for a discovery call. And then after that one, we will discuss our services. Is there a great fit? What service do you need? Tell me more about you, or something like that. So discovery call is very important, okay? And there are also prospects that we have right now. They didn't go to the discovery call, but they purchase a service directly. Okay, so from here the client subscribe to a service. So let's go to our service page. Now this is my website, kirkroldanseo.com. We also do white label SEO services.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kirkroldanseo.com.
So from here, client go to the services. So we are talking about this method, purchase directly. So the client or the prospect go to our page, like for example, this one, CBD link building service. And then here, they see all the information that we have, the mid-tier, this one with 1,000 plus traffic, this one is 2,000 plus traffic, this say their price per link, they say the description. And after they decided for the service, they will click this order. From here, they will choose the service that they want. They will decide if how many services that it will automatically calculated here. And then that's it. They will fill up the information card and complete the purchase. So that's the process, okay? I have a different video to explain what software we are using for this, because this is not a WooCommerce. This is a different one. I have a separate video for this, okay? And then after that, they click complete purchase and they will be redirected in our portal. So our portal, you need to fill up those information. We are now in the intake form. So they need to fill up the intake form so we can know more about their service they subscribe and also everything that is related for that project. So we have a better understanding about them. Okay. Next, after they fill up the intake form, the next step that we are going to do is to do the onboarding call. Okay. So right now we are going to do the onboarding call. So what's included in the onboarding call? There, we will discuss the process, like our process to work with them, the delivery, the time frame, the workload, how we work, and also we are going to explain the service that they subscribe and also the inclusions. Okay? This is very good for you to have the onboarding call so they can know more about you and also about your service, and they will be very confident about you, right? And also with your service. So for me, this is very important for you to have the onboarding call. So that's included in the onboarding call. Next, so after the onboarding call will happen, the next step is that we are still here, right? Before the research and planning will happen, in our back end, we are going to assign the project to a specialist, to those people who's doing the actual work. Like for example, the on-page specialist, the link building, the technical SEO, the content creation. So these people are not the same because every project that we have a specialty, or we have a specialized or dedicated person who's doing the work. For example, if that person is good with content creation, they are only doing the content creation. If they do link building, they will focus on link building. So we have a different people who's doing the work. Aside from adding the project to a specialist, we will also add the project to our project management dashboard. We will also add the project there, so you will also see and know what's the included for the task, how long, and also the project's information. You will see it everything there. Next, assign a customer support. So we also have a dedicated customer support who's handling your project, who's handling the customer support. If ever you have any questions about the project, if you have any problem about the project, you can just let me know as soon as possible, because we have that and we want to fix that problem right away. And also assign to a project manager. That project manager is the one who's handling your project. Okay, they're only handling the project, and have a communication with a specialist who's doing the work. So meaning every task are taken care with your project because we have the right people in that field. So after that is taken care, now we will also research about the project, about your business, create a plan, create a strategy. We don't start the work yet because right now we are still doing planning and also making sure everything is taken care before we will start our work. Then after that, the team will start the work after we gather all the intake form, after the onboarding call, getting a strategy. Then that's the right time the team will start the work. Then depends on what you subscribe here. Let's say, for example, if you subscribe with an SEO, so it's a 30 days work, right? 30 days. Monthly SEO. So we will also provide you a white label SEO reporting every single month. So if the service you subscribe is only content creation, it depends as well on how many days or how many content you ask us to do, because we have a different service delivery for each of the projects that we have. So for example, here you can see it on our end. Like for example, this one, 5 business days, 5 business days, 3 business days. So we will follow this time frame, and also for you to know how long these projects to be created. So if that is 30 days, then you will see the white label reporting every 30 days. But, okay, there's a but there, because when you are working in our company, you can see all the work, and also we have the transparency here. Meaning, we will provide you an access to our back end or to our sheet that compile all the work. So let's say, for example, you subscribe with 30 days SEO campaign, okay? We will provide you a sheet where everything are included that is related to the project, the pending task, the completed task. You will see it everything. So for example, we are starting our work today, and then we will send you or provide you a sheet that's included everything. So you don't need to worry about asking us question, hey, where we are right now, what's the projects you are focusing today or this week or for a couple of days from now. So you will also have a guide and also transparency on your end about your projects, and we are going to provide that to you during the first day of our work. Okay, here in this section. If you subscribe with 30 days SEO, so you will have a guide. Okay, if you only subscribe with one service only, then we will submit that service and follow the estimated time of delivery. For example, here, if link building only, we will send this to you after 5 days. Okay, so that's basically it. This is very self-explanatory. And lastly, we need to go to the reporting part. So in the reporting part, we will send you all the white label SEO reporting. Like for example, your GMB reporting, it's white label, meaning we will add your logo, your font, your color combination, and everything to make sure that is a white label, and you're going to send that directly to your client, so you don't need to worry changing that information because it's already added your brand there. Not ours, but your brand. Okay, the GMB, the Google Analytics, the Search Console, also the ranking of the keywords that you have. All right, this is our process. So if you have any questions about our process, just let me know. So if you're looking for white label SEO services, go to kirkroldanseo.com and go to this page. You can see a video here. Watch that because I explained our process, how we work, and also the team. And also, if you have any follow-up questions, you can schedule a call here. Or if you want to buy our services for white label, you need to go here and choose a service, fill out the intake form, and we will begin the work. And by the way, we have a reseller promo. So if you subscribe 2 service, 3 service, 4 or 4 clients, 5 clients, you will also get a good discount for that. Okay, how to get the discount? Just click this link or click this one and chat us that you're looking for a code for 5 clients, and we will send that to you right away so you can choose it on your purchase, or you can follow that one. All right, so I guess that would be all for now. If you have any questions, clarifications, let me know. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.